Hello, everyone. My name is Cameron Piper, and today I'll be talking about the importance of electronic health records and managing and preventing potentially harmful medication interactions. Ensuring pharmaceutical safety is a shared responsibility of healthcare providers and patients. This duty includes a broad variety of tasks, such as correctly adhering to prescription instructions and properly informing healthcare practitioners of any concerns or adverse effects. By being knowledgeable about their drugs, being aware of any possible hazards, and following recommended dose guidelines, patients may take charge of their own health. Healthcare providers, on the other hand, are accountable for carefully monitoring patients for adverse reactions or interactions, teaching patients about correct administration, and prescribing drugs sparingly. I wanted to introduce this video to show a part of the World Health Organization effort to improve procedures and lower pharmaceutical mistakes in order to lessen drug related damage. The campaign seeks to increase awareness of the significance of drug safety among patients and healthcare professionals through educational material and useful methods. The program aims to improve overall healthcare outcomes and reduce hazards related to pharmaceutical usage by advocating for best practices and encouraging transparent communication. Communities may cooperate to create a drug management system that is safer and more efficient by raising awareness and working together. What are electronic health records? Well, paper charts for patients are digitally converted into electronic health records. They provide detailed medical history information on a patient, including prescriptions, diagnosis, allergies, test findings, and proposed courses of therapy. When two or more medications interact in a way that raises the possibility of side effects or lowers the effectiveness of one or more medications, this is known as a dangerous medication interaction. Electronic health records are essential for managing healthcare because they give medical professionals the knowledge and resources they need to avoid and control drug interactions, which improves patient safety. The next subtopic I want to focus on is the adoption of EHRs. Over the past 10 years, office based physicians and non federal acute care hospitals have adopted and certified electronic health records at a substantial rate, indicating a noteworthy improvement in healthcare technology. By 2021, almost all non federal acute care hospitals and 4 out of 5 office based physicians will have deployed and certified EHR systems. Compared to the adoption rates in 2011, which were 28% for hospitals and 34% for physicians, this indicates a significant rise. The fact that EHRs are becoming widely used shows how much more people are realizing how beneficial they are for boosting productivity, improving patient care, and simplifying healthcare procedures. The information demonstrates how dedicated the healthcare sector is to adopting digital technologies to enhance patient care and adjust to changing healthcare requirements. What are the benefits of EHRs in medication? The first benefit of EHRs that I want to address is medication safety. A patient's whole medical history, including allergies, current prescriptions, and prior diseases, is accessible to healthcare practitioners. By using this information, prescriptions may be managed more precisely, which lowers the possibility of allergies and unfavorable medication interactions. Another benefit includes EHR integration. This medication administration becomes a real time data driven process. Healthcare professionals can view medication orders, administration records, and patient profiles instantly. This immediate action ensures that medications are dispensed on schedule and in the correct dosage, promoting adherence to prescribed treatments. Lastly, medication orders can improve productivity and workload. Clinical procedures are streamlined by the interaction of electronic health record systems with automated medicine dispensing cabinets. Prescription modifications are automatically updated, and medication orders are executed online. The administrative load on healthcare personnel is lessened by this efficiency, freeing them up to concentrate more on patient care. What are the challenges of EHRs? The first challenge EHRs may present is information display. One of the biggest problems seen with electronic health records is the information being presented. The necessity of organizing and presenting large volumes of complicated medical data in a way that makes it simple for healthcare professionals to navigate is one of the main issues. When designing interfaces, such as the star formatting, accessibility features must be carefully considered to serve a variety of user demands. This can include administrative personnel handling patient information to physicians making fast clinical choices. Further complicating these designs and implementations of EHR interfaces can be difficult to protect patient privacy and security while maintaining accessibility to important data. Another topic I want to look at is the system feedback. This presents a challenge for electronic health records when managing dangerous medications. The relevance of system feedback must be carefully calibrated to avoid overwhelming users with irrelevant information, ensuring that alerts are meaningful and actionable in high stakes situations involving dangerous medications. Striking the right balance between the two, such as providing necessary feedback and minimizing disruptions to clinical workflows, remains a persistent challenge for EHR systems. For example, there are certain circumstances in which an EHR might fail to inform users that a medication or action has already been taken. The last challenge I want to look at is the workflow support. When managing dangerous drugs, workflow support might present problems for electronic health records. It is crucial yet difficult to include safety procedures and alarms into current workflows without compromising the effectiveness. The careful design and modification of an EHR system is necessary to guarantee that healthcare practitioners get timely alerts regarding possible pharmaceutical dangers without resulting in alert fatigue. Furthermore, it can be difficult to execute safely inside these systems. Despite the fact that coordinating the workflow between various healthcare professionals engaged in prescribing, administrating, and monitoring harmful drugs is essential for patient safety. I wanted to present two case examples that show the use of electronic health records. The first case: EHRs are made to track medication allergies in patients and notify doctors when a prescription order might cause a negative reaction. It is crucial for EHRs to identify any potential allergies, as doctors may become reliant on these notifications. Otherwise, patients can be exposed to medications that could have a negative reaction. When prescription drugs are part of an order set, a collection of drugs, tests, and procedures compiled into one system to save doctors' times. This might present a problem. For instance, prochlorperazine, a medicine used to treat nausea and vomiting, was ordered by an anesthesiologist for patients whose medical record indicating they had an allergy to the drug. However, when the drug was listed as part of an order set, the EHR did not provide an alert. The second case, physicians must fill in certain fields in the EHR for orders to be processed or records to be produced. These conditions may cause a delay in receiving care. In one hospital, for instance, staff members had to submit the newborn's weight and ABGAR score, a composite sign of health, before physicians could establish a record for them in the EHR. For a baby girl, this delayed treatment until an ABGAR score could be acquired. She needed emergency care. But because of this, medical professionals were unable to create a record for the infant and thus were unable to place an urgent blood transfusion order. Ultimately, they ordered the blood through her twin brother's record, which caused a delay in the transfusion and increased the possibility that the wrong baby could get the blood. With everything that I've talked about so far, I think it is important to address how to reduce medication errors in EHRs. First, any avoidable incident that might result in improper medicine administration or patient injury when the medication is under the patient, healthcare provider, or consumer's control is considered medication. The way an EHR system is implemented, that is, how it is included in the clinical workflow and procedures, and how users utilize it in a routine clinical settings is just as crucial in reducing these mistakes as it is in design, such as those brought on by missing different information. Regularly assessing any patient injuries associated with a particular application is crucial, as it is putting in place quality and safety procedures corresponding with the identified clinical risk. A statistic that I found for this specific slide says, according to several studies, medical errors rank third among the world's top causes of mortality in the United States of America, which has one of the greatest healthcare systems. These kind of mistakes claim the lives of over 150,000 Americans annually, or 1 in 10 fatalities, and cost the industry close to 20 billion annually. The future direction of EHRs shows advancements in technology and the future use of AI. Personalized treatment plans, fewer medical mistakes, enhanced patient care coordination, patient empowerment, and data for research and quality improvement programs are just a few ways that electronic health records have the potential to completely transform the healthcare industry. EHR implementation has drawbacks, such as protecting patient confidentiality and information security, but there are also major potential advantages. Furthermore, EHRs may give healthcare professionals the predictive insights they need to create individualized treatment plans and recognize health problems before they become serious by incorporating AI technology. Healthcare professionals have the potential to revolutionize patient care and outcomes through the utilization of artificial intelligence. With the use of these different technologies, healthcare professionals may enhance patient outcomes by making better decisions and optimizing the delivery for treatment. Researchers may anticipate even more cutting edge capabilities and solutions in the healthcare sector as these technologies continue to progress. For a final conclusion of my presentation, I want to address that electronic health records facilitate complete risk assessment of possible medication interactions, educate physicians at the point of service, and promote continuity care between various healthcare locations. EHRs improve medical product safety procedures, reduce medication related mistakes, and increase the overall healthcare outcomes by utilizing technology and data driven insights. Thank you.